Welcome to a pathway that promises more than just wealth. It offers a journey into a life abundant in every possible way. By saying a few powerful words 3 times daily, you can shift your life towards a reality brimming with opportunities, health, and prosperity. This isn't about mere hope. It's about creating a routine that molds the very fabric of your existence. So, let's look into how affirmations can transform your approach to life and unlock the full spectrum of abundance that awaits. Abundance isn't just a word. It's a state of being that transcends the material and touches every facet of your life. When we talk about living abundantly, we are referring to a life filled with joy, health, love, and yes, ample resources. But to invite this kind of abundance into your life, it starts with the mind. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful, acting as magnets that attract circumstances that align with them. Therefore, shaping our thoughts with intention through affirmations is key to opening the gates to this expansive state of living. To truly harness the power of affirmations, we must first redefine what abundance means on a personal level. It's not solely about financial wealth, it's about enriching all parts of your life. Imagine abundance as a garden. Just as a garden thrives with a variety of flowers, fruits, and foliage, a life of abundance flourishes with varied experiences. Meaningful relationships, personal growth, health, and yes, financial prosperity. Each aspect nurtures another, creating a balanced and fulfilling existence. Abundance is also about possibility. It's the potential to have more happiness, more peace, and more success. By affirming abundance, you're not just wishing for more money or friends. You're affirming the limitless possibilities waiting for you. These affirmations are your tools to reshape the landscape of your reality, making it fertile for all forms of prosperity to grow. Affirmations are more than just words, they are tools for mental transformation. They help reprogram our subconscious mind, which is a powerful entity that governs most of our thoughts and behaviors. By regularly feeding our subconscious positive and affirming statements, we start to shift our internal narratives. These narratives are often littered with limits we or others have imposed on us over time. The subconscious doesn't operate on logic but on repetition. It believes what it hears often. This is where the magic of affirmations lies. When you start your day by affirming your worth, your potential, and your right to abundance, your subconscious begins to accept this as your reality. Over time, this acceptance transforms into actions that align with the abundant life you're affirming. Affirmations also combat the often automatic negative thoughts that can crowd our minds. These are the I can't, I'm not, and I don't have statements that unconsciously guide our lives. By consciously choosing affirmations, you challenge these negatives, slowly replacing them with a positive belief system. Each positive affirmation acts like a seed of potential, planted in the fertile soil of your mind, gradually rooting out the weeds of negativity. To make affirmations work for you, setting the right environment is crucial. It's about creating a space that supports mental clarity and emotional calmness. Let's talk how you can achieve this. Choose a place where you feel at ease, free from clutter and distractions. This could be a small corner of your room, a dedicated meditation space, or even a peaceful spot in a nearby park. The key is consistency. Using the same space for your affirmations can help condition your mind to enter a state of receptivity more quickly. Consider the ambience that helps foster focus and relaxation. Soft lighting, perhaps a candle or a dim lamp, can be soothing. Some find that background sounds like gentle rain, nature sounds, or soft instrumental music enhance their concentration. The aim is to make this environment inviting and serene so that your mind associates this space with positive and calming experiences. The effectiveness of affirmations largely depends on your mental state at the time of practice. Let's see how to prepare. Start with the belief that what you are doing is powerful and will bring about change. Skepticism can hinder the effectiveness of your affirmations. If doubts arise, gently remind yourself of the transformations you are aiming for. These affirmations are the seeds of your future reality. Clear your mind of the day's stresses before you begin. A short meditation or a few deep, mindful breaths can help dispel any lingering negativity or tension. Approach your affirmations with a fresh, hopeful perspective each time, as if each session is a step towards a richer life. When you speak your affirmations, do so with conviction and clarity. Repeat each affirmation thrice, focusing deeply on the meaning of the words. Visualize the reality these words are creating. Feel the truth of them as you say them, and hold on to that feeling as long as possible after you finish speaking. By preparing both your environment and your mind, you create the optimal conditions for affirmations to work their magic. This preparation does not need to be lengthy or complicated but should be enough to shift your focus from the external to the internal, where real change begins. Begin each day by setting a tone of abundance. As you wake, allow yourself a moment to lie still, breathe deeply, and then affirm. Today, I open myself to the prosperity and opportunities that surround me. Say this affirmation slowly, 3 times, allowing the words to resonate within you. This morning affirmation is your first step each day in acknowledging and accepting abundance into your life. It prepares your mind to look for and receive the best, fostering a positive outlook from the start. As the day progresses, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and become detached from your morning's intent. To realign yourself with the concept of abundance, use your midday affirmation. I am a magnet for divine prosperity, good things naturally flow towards me. This should be recited 3 times around midday, possibly during a lunch break or a quiet moment. It serves as a powerful reminder of your worth and potential, reinforcing the magnetic pull of abundance with the energy peak of the day. As the day winds down, it's time to reflect and release. Before bed, close your day with gratitude and an affirmation that seals the intent of abundance while also letting go of any stress or negativity. I am thankful for the abundance that today brought me, and I invite more into my life. This evening affirmation, said 3 times, helps in acknowledging the abundance that has been present and sets the stage for more to come. It promotes a restful sleep filled with positive thoughts, crucial for a refreshed and abundant tomorrow. To maximize the effectiveness of these affirmations, it's essential to combine them with visualization techniques. As you affirm, imagine yourself living in the abundance you speak of. See in your mind's eye what your life looks like when these affirmations are your reality. Visualize details, feel the emotions tied to your success and prosperity, see the environments you'll frequent, and the activities that fill your abundant life. While affirming, use detailed imagery to strengthen the connection between your words and their manifestation. For example, when you affirm your morning intention, visualize stepping out into a world that responds with opportunities and successes. During your midday affirmation, see yourself effortlessly attracting resources and relationships that enrich your life. In the evening, reflect on these visualizations with gratitude, reinforcing the cycle of receiving and appreciating abundance. Affirmations are personal. They should resonate with your unique journey towards abundance. Feel free to adjust the wording to better suit your situation or aspirations. Perhaps you seek abundance in health, relationships, or knowledge. Tailor your affirmations to reflect these desires, making them a true reflection of your personal goals and reality. One of the key elements to unlocking the full potential of affirmations in manifesting abundance is consistency. The repeated, daily practice embeds these positive assertions deeply into your subconscious, gradually altering your thought patterns and, consequently, your life experiences. Make it a ritual. Recite your affirmations at the designated times: morning, midday, and evening, without fail. This repetition reinforces the affirmation's power, solidifying their truths in your mind and life. Each recitation is a step towards the reality you are eager to create. The fruits of affirmations may not appear overnight. It requires patience and a steadfast belief in the process. Trust that each affirmation is building upon the last, layering your life with positivity and potential. Over time, you will notice subtle shifts. Opportunities may present themselves. Relationships may deepen, and a general sense of well-being may pervade your life. As your journey towards abundance evolves, so too should your affirmations. Reflect regularly on your goals and the effectiveness of your current affirmations, adjusting them as needed to better suit your changing circumstances and aspirations. If your goals shift or you achieve certain milestones, update your affirmations to reflect these changes. This keeps your affirmations fresh and relevant, ensuring they continue to resonate deeply with your current reality and desires. Do not hesitate to introduce new affirmations as you grow and expand your vision of abundance. Perhaps new aspects of abundance become more pertinent to you, such as spiritual growth, creative expression, or intellectual achievements. Tailor your affirmations to include these elements, enriching your practice and its outcomes. Enhancing your affirmations with visualization techniques amplifies their effectiveness by engaging the subconscious mind at a deeper level. Visualization is not just about seeing an outcome but about feeling and experiencing it as if it's already happening. This process solidifies the connection between your affirmations and your real-world experiences. When reciting your affirmations, close your eyes and vividly imagine the scene of your success or abundance manifesting. Engage all your senses in this visualization. See the outcomes, hear the sounds associated with success. Touch the objects you desire, and feel the emotions that accompany your achievements. This multisensory approach helps to embed these desires deeper into your subconscious. Incorporate visualization into each affirmation session. Consistency in both affirmations and visualization ensures that these practices reinforce each other, building a stronger belief system and accelerating the manifestation process. Life is dynamic, and as such, your affirmations should be flexible enough to adapt to your evolving aspirations and circumstances. Regularly updating your affirmations ensures that they remain aligned with your current goals and the person you are becoming. Set a regular schedule to review your affirmations. Monthly or quarterly might work well. During these reviews, reflect on your progress. Evaluate the relevance of your current affirmations, and make adjustments as necessary. As you achieve your goals and set new ones, expand your affirmations to include these new targets. This might mean shifting from affirmations focused on immediate financial abundance to those that encompass emotional or spiritual abundance, depending on your growth trajectory. While we close today's video of affirmations and their profound impact on opening the gates of abundance, remember that each affirmation you speak is a building block in the magnificent life you're creating. Accept this journey with consistency and passion, and witness how your world transforms. If you found value in this session, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living abundantly. Your engagement helps spread these powerful practices to others on their journey towards abundance. Let's continue to grow together and unlock the full potential of our lives. Thank you for watching, and keep affirming your greatness.